Good morning students. Today we will start with the fifth chapter of EVS, that is simple machines. What do you think? What is machine? You people think that machine is the thing that run by electricity. So anything that run by electricity is known as machine. This is a wrong concept. Simple definition of machine is anything that makes your work easy is known as simple machine. Like in our day-to-day life, we use many simple machines. Scissor, knife, tweezer, which we call plucker, is a simple machine. So what is the definition of simple machine? Machine that makes our work easy, that is known as simple machine. So scissor is a simple machine. Knife is a simple machine. Tweezer is a simple machine. Understood? So what is simple machine? Anything that makes a work easy is known as simple machine. Examples are scissor, knife, tweezer, or many more. Clear? And next we will study 6 types of simple machines. Total we have 6 types of simple machine in this chapter which we will study. First is inclined plane. Next is wedges. Third one is pulley. Next is screw. Fifth one is wheel and axle. Sixth is lever. These are the 6 simple machines that we will study in this chapter. So one by one we will study the simple machine types. So first is inclined plane. First understand the definition of inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine used to lift heavy object. You must have observed in your schools or in hospitals or in malls the ramps. Right? Now see this picture. This is known as inclined plane. These kinds of object we use to lift the heavy object. Like if you want to unload the truck, the heavy object from the truck, you have to unload it. You use these kinds of inclined plane to unload the truck. Now just think, if we will not use these kinds of planes, then more efforts or more energy will be used to lift the heavy object. But if we will use these types of inclined planes, it is easy for us to carry or lift the heavy objects, right? It is very easy to ride the bicycle on a slanted road, right? The road having such kind of inclined shape. Understood? What is inclined plane? Inclined plane means is a simple machine that is used to lift the heavy object. Next is wedges. What are wedges? Wedges means it's a kind of a simple machine made of 2 inclined planes. Easy one examples are knife and axe. These are the object that, or we can say the simple machines we use to cut the object. Suppose if we will not use these simple machine, it is difficult for us to cut the objects. But if we will use this knife or axe, it is easy for us to cut the objects. So these are the kind of simple machines that makes our work easy. I hope you all have understood.